Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix share screen audio is not working in Discord. And trust me, that's going to be a very quick tutorial. Just make sure to watch this video all the way to the end to learn how to do it. So let's move on point, let's don't waste any more your time, and let's say we wanna join in some voice channel and we wanna share our screen to our friends. And before I start, I must know that if you want to share your sound with screen, you need to share it from some specific application, because when you click here on screen and you share your screen, your friends will not be able to hear your sound. So you need to share some application. But how to do it? Yeah, actually it's simply to click on that application you want to share. But if it's not appearing here, just close it and go in user settings and go in game activity. And now as you can see, we have this question, not seeing your game. Just add it, click on add it and click on this arrow, and from here you can add your game or that application that you want to share with your friends. And let's say Streamlabs OBS, yeah, let's say Streamlabs OBS, add game and escape. Now go and share screen. I don't know why it's not working. Wait, because maybe it's the Streamlabs. Yeah, that's the Streamlabs, that's why it's not working. Let's say another thing, Microsoft Store. Yeah, that's, yeah. So now let me click on Microsoft Store. As you can see, when we click on share, yeah, we can choose Microsoft Store because we added it, and we can go live. And now they can hear the sound of our sharing screen. So yeah, that was how to simply fix share screen audio is not working in Discord. And yeah, if you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't be hesitant to leave your comments, to leave your problems down below the video in the comments, and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can. And see you next video. Bye.